Okay, this is it. This is the drip inside of the structure. So we divide it into two. So the first one from the gate, this is the end of it, as you can see. That's it, and this is where the second one also started, and then goes up to the end. So you can see that the second one water is also dripping, is also flowing. So that is the second one. This is the first one. So you can see where the first one is ending, and then where the second one is also continue. So this is the inside. This is the trellis line also over here. That is the trellis line. That is the changed support, and that's the gate or the porch. So we are done with everything. Thank you for having trust in us. Thank you for giving us a work to do, showing our talents. God bless you. Bye bye.